Hey guys, it's me Laura. Today, oh hi Ozzy, look who's joining me. This is my dog. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. What's up? You have a good nap? Oh, thank you Ozzy. And I did film a video. Look at her, she's so confused why I'm talking to a camera, aren't you? She's paying attention to me because my dad isn't home. My dad is her favorite person. But so today is a beautiful summer day, last day of summer, cloudy. No thank you. At my school we have international students, so like exchange students, and last year I was really close with a bunch of them. One of my best friends, I just visited her over the summer. So today there's an international orientation, so they're coming to our school today at 6 p.m. It is 1:40. So I have a lot of time to spare until then. Let me just show you my outfit right now. This is what I might wear today or tomorrow. I don't know. It's this shirt. It's just velvet and it has lace here. And then these pants are from H&M. I love this outfit so much. It's 9:12 right now and I'm just getting home from the international orientation. I look yellow. I'm just sitting here eating some crackers because I'm hungry. I need to force myself to go to bed right now because if I go to bed right now I'll have 9, 10, 11, 8 hours of sleep because I have to get up at 5 a.m. Crazy. I'm not excited. I'm not gonna look very good tomorrow, but that's okay. I'm gonna eat something, some banana bread and crackers, and wash my face. In the morning I'll put on highlight and mascara and go to school like that. So the outfit I was wearing earlier, I decided to wear that tomorrow. So to this thing tonight, I wore some black jeggings kind of things that I got in Germany with a shirt from Stitches. I wore this little choker necklace, some hoop earrings, which I'm going to wear tomorrow as well. So anyways, my night was pretty fun. Met some cool international students, pretty shy right now, but hopefully get to know them. There seemed like there was a lot more last year, but I don't know. It's so hard to take off. Hurts my eyes. Okay, that is good enough. Still have some mascara on my eyes. So usually by this time of year, I'm excited to go back to school, but I have not had enough summer and I'm not ready for that. So I'm gonna brush my teeth too, but I don't want to film that, so. All right, yellow lighting is back. I think I'm ready to go to bed. What time is it right now? Too late for me. 9:51. I normally go to bed at 12:30, 1 o'clock, maybe 2. Last night I went to bed at 3, so, you know. I have my backpack all packed with the outfit I'm gonna wear because I have to bring this to work tomorrow. I have 4 subjects and a bunch of just papers and Hilroys and pencils and stuff like that, all the fun stuff. Those 2 things to work tomorrow. I have my Adidas Superstars. Just clean these for a good 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm so sad. So sad. I need to grab my bank account too. My bank account. I gotta grab some money. I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys bright and early. I will vlog it. Fun. Hey guys. My alarm's going off, So I had so many dreams about missing work this morning, so I'm stressed and I could not sleep. So I'm not wearing any makeup right now. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Never wake up this early for school. Usually it's like 7 and then I have to make the bus by 8. I'm gonna do my makeup, and if you guys want to see me do my makeup stressed out, sure. Most of them gonna talk. So, I'm gonna do my makeup right now. 5:05. What do I start with? Moisturizer. I'm gonna use this. There's water. Oh my gosh. Some Sprite from McDonald's leaked all over my vanity. Ew. Cool. using the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, even though it's probably not for your face. If you're wondering what I do for work, I work at a boat, so I have to like embark people onto the boat. It's not hard. My brother used to work with me, but now he's in university, so I got his job, kind of. We both worked together, but I did a harder job, and now we switched. So this morning I just have to sit there and embark people onto the boat. It's not hard. Next thing's next. I'm just gonna take this palette, the Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this maroon color, the friggin' crease. Okay. I look like I got a black eye. I was gonna use this 24-hour color tattoo that I did for my prom makeup. Okay, here's what we have going on for eye makeup. It's pretty what I do every day. The highlight I'm using today is the one in my Maybelline Master Contour palette. I'm so sorry to everybody that has to see me today. If you're watching this and you go to my school, now I'm gonna put on mascara. It's the Lash Sensational Luscious Lashes, yeah, from Maybelline. And possibly this CoverGirl mascara, I don't know. Okay, so here's the final product for my eyes. My eyelashes aren't looking too nice right now, but you know what? Who cares? This is quite the angle. Gonna put on a little bit of lipstick and then I'll eat something. Yeah, so this was 5:25. Holy shit. Okay, bye.
I want you. It's everything. What? Okay, you got me. The video's gonna be like 50 minutes. I'll crop it.